Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start by unlocking your iPhone and opening Settings to configure the camera. Tap Camera and then Formats to enable Apple Pro RAW. Turn on Pro RAW and confirm 48 megapixel capture is available. Return to the camera app and verify the RAW badge appears at the top. Tap RAW to select 48MP Pro RAW before taking pictures. Remember that each 48MP Pro RAW file can exceed 25 megapixels. Position your subject and choose the main wide lens for full 48MP detail. If you need closer framing, use the 2x telephoto lens or the 2x crop option. The 2x telephoto gives a true optical crop with better detail than digital zoom. Avoid using digital zoom because it reduces effective resolution and adds artifacts. Keep the lens selection stable and lock exposure to maintain consistent 48MP image quality across shots. Use a tripod or steady support when shooting 48MP Pro RAW to prevent motion blur. Frame your shot, tap to lock focus, and set exposure manually if needed. Shoot in bright light to maximize sensor performance and minimize noise in 48 megapixel files. Capture multiple exposures for safety and review histograms for clipped highlights or shadows. Import Pro RAW 48MP into a compatible editor. Make adjustments and export high-resolution TIFF or JPEG files for sharing or printing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.